So I tried looking for my contacts and they don't want to appear. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started because we trying to slay for Thanksgiving, all right? So we're gonna be slaying our eyes using this Color Story Mirage. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly because y'all know I suck at grammar. It has some really cool tones here. I really like that it has like the browns and the very neutral looks, but it also has some very pigmented pinks and blues and all that. I'm gonna try to teach y'all how to do a little cut crease because I just learned like yesterday. So I'm gonna just show you guys what I do to achieve that look. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, so first off, I'm going to be moisturizing my face. I already did my eyebrows. If you guys want to see how I do my eyebrows, of course, there's a video already on my channel showing you guys how I do that. Now that my face is moisturized, I'm going to go ahead and start with my eyes. The first thing I like to do every time I do an eyeshadow that I want to pop or I want to last a long time is prime it. For my concealer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the color Fawn. I'm gonna take the color Jet Setter and I'm just gonna take a big blending brush, and all of my brushes I'll just link down in the description box because I have a ton of brushes, like literally a ton of brushes, and most of them, if not all of them, are by BH Cosmetics. Then I'm gonna grab that Mainland dark brown color and just put that like right above my crease to bring out, like to make it look like a brown tone almost. I don't know what I'm talking about. I just know that that's what I'm trying to do. I'm gonna just place that right above and like in the outer corners so that when I do my cut crease, this brown comes out a little bit. So now what I'm gonna do is actually start doing the cutting of the crease, right? And I'm gonna try my best to explain this to you guys because I just learned how to do this like, you know, the other day. And I actually learned using the method that Makeup by Jess uses. If you guys don't follow her on Instagram and on Facebook and all that good stuff, you are missing out. Especially my rookies like me. Listen, she gives all the best tips and tricks, okay? What I'm gonna do is take some concealer, and I'm actually using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Warm Honey. I like to take some of that concealer and just place it on my hand because that's what I'm gonna use with my brush to just tap and draw as I go. Alright, so I'm gonna take a concealer brush, and this one is by e.l.f. Cosmetics. Okay, so here's the trick. You take that concealer, you put it at the bottom, like on your lid, and then you look up and let it mark itself. You see how it just created its own line? If you struggle like me, if you don't have like a perfect crease to be able to do this look, then this is the best way to do it. Put a little bit on there, look up, and then start drawing very slowly. Because I know me, when I first started, I wanted to like fly through this, but you got to do it very slowly. So next, after I've created that shape, I'm gonna go ahead and take this color Heat from the palette, and literally I'm just gonna tap that into the concealer so that it won't spread or get out of where it's supposed to be. Tap, 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 tap. No, 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 tap, tap, tap. Then I'm gonna go back in with that Jet Setter color and kind of just blend it at the end so that the crease doesn't look so aggressive at the ends and it looks like it flows. Okay, so now at this point, we're gonna go ahead and continue with the rest of our face. We're gonna come back to our eyes, but this is just the way I work. I do like the basic stuff in my eyes, and then I continue with the rest of my face, and then I continue adding on everything else. I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, and this is in the color 338, and this is a matte and poreless foundation. Always, always, always a go-to. I love this foundation. And I'm just taking some of that and putting it on a flat foundation brush and literally painting that on my face. I like to take this foundation brush, also by BH Cosmetics, and just blend that out in circular motions. Then I'm gonna go back with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Warm Honey, and I'm just gonna put that under my eyes, on my forehead, and on my chin to highlight those areas on my face. Next up, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the color 25 Medium. And with that same beauty blender that I just used, I'm just gonna tap it in there and apply it to all those areas that I just concealed. Then I'm just gonna remove that. Every time I finish baking my face, I like to take my Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation Powder and take some of that and just apply it all over my face just to set in that foundation and everything else. Make sure nothing moves. Going back to our eyes, now we're gonna take that same jet setter and just put it towards the end of the bottom lid like this. Now I'm gonna take some of my NYX black eyeliner and just line the bottom lid only halfway. And I do this to give my eyes like a bigger eye illusion, especially because my eyes sit low. I always have to put some eyeliner to make it pop some more. I look so dirty. Oh my god, I'm such a messy makeup person. To contour my face, I'm gonna be using the black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. It's always been my favorite. It's always my go-to. I think every makeup video that I've done, I've used this True Complexion Contour Palette. I'm just gonna take some of that dark contour and start applying. With that same palette, I'm gonna take the highlight and I'm just gonna apply it on my cheekbones and on my nose. Then I'm taking my Physicians Formula highlighter in the color Champagne, and I'm just gonna place that right on top of that highlight that I just did. And I just like doing this because this highlighter has more of a golden tone and it brings out the highlighter that I already have just a little bit more. And you know, you want to be popping on Thanksgiving. You want to look to the side and be like, yeah, auntie, I ain't got no man, but my makeup look better than yours. Okay. Now with my NYX Cosmetics eyeliner, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a wing, and hopefully it comes out right because this is always a hit or miss. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and applied my lashes off camera because honestly I can't do it on camera. It takes me like 30 minutes per eye to do these things, so I did that off camera. Now for my lips, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Trust Issues. I just really love this matte lipstick because it gives me like that plum-ish color. Like it just brings about the entire look. So we're going to take that and we're just going to put it on our lips. I'm actually going to go back into my eyeshadow palette and use the color Sunshine to put it on the inner corners of my eyes because I just really like how that looks. I feel like it brings about the eye look a little bit more. And then our final step is to apply our setting spray. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I'm so proud of myself for actually doing this because it's so hard to do my makeup on camera since I can't really see what I'm doing, which is why y'all saw the mirror like all in my face, super close. I hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving. I hope that you eat all the food that you want and don't worry about the diet, honey. It don't even matter. It don't matter, okay? If you guys thought that this video was helpful, please go ahead and give me that like. Comment below if you guys want to see more videos like this because I know I'm blind, but if y'all down to see me look a hot mess while doing my makeup, I'm here to give it to you guys, okay? Love you guys. Happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.